Hello everyone, got a great video for you here. This is Power with Finesse. We will be taking a close look at Savannah Easton's grip hand in this case. Watch closely at her wrist action. Also take note at her loose grip. Another thing I found interesting is her elbow drop. It's much like Jasmine Ocean's. So as we watch Savannah run off these last 4 balls, let's take a look at that grip hand throughout each shot. Here you can see how her fingers release off the cue on the backstroke. I do the same thing on some of my shots where I hinge between my thumb and index finger. This next shot requires a very short backstroke, so she will not release her fingers off the cue. And you can see that the cue remains in the palm of her hand. And once again, here's a short backstroke. Another unrelated thing I'd like to point out is look at Savannah's head position. It never moves. Another is her pre-shot. Notice how she hesitated there before she stepped into the shot line. And once again, you can see how she lets out her stroke and releases the cue and goes through the cue ball. So now let's take a look at my grip hand motion on this power draw shot. Let's break it down further with a close-up look. Take note of how I flex my wrist backward at the very end of my backstroke. In doing this, I'm able to impart more spin through the cue ball, thus gain more draw as I execute the shot. And here you can see it's almost like I'm throwing the cue through the cue ball. And in the case of Savannah, not every shot requires such wrist action. With this 2-railer, for instance, you can see I use less wrist flex. This said, I want to stress that I do not grip my cue tightly, but instead use a 2-finger and thumb light grip. Without a doubt, 2 of the best things I found for my stroke were to maintain a loose grip and a flexible wrist when I needed power. Please let me know what you think about Savannah Easton's grip and flexible wrist, and I hope this video was helpful for a lot of you. Also, if you would, please share this video and leave the thumbs up. It really helps my channel and I need your help. And if you want to watch another informative tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.